In this video, I'm going to show you why Missy Elliott has one of the dopest rap flows in the game by breaking down her verse that she recently did on Skrillex's new song, Ra-Ta-Ta. My name is Cole Mize, and I've been helping rappers perfect their rap skills on this channel for the past 9 years. Now, let's get straight to it. To get started, I'm going to play Missy's rap verse so you can see and hear her rap flow in real time. And then I'm going to show you some of the main takeaways and techniques that make her rap flow sound so incredible and unique.
DJ Skrillex's, we be the realest team on the billis. Watch out, I kill it, watch out, I spit it on the mic, feel it. Y'all can't do what I do, just admit it. I'm about to get it, money, get it. Drop it to the floor, shake my big bitties, bopping like did it. My face look pretty, y'all ain't doing shit new, I done did it. Cause I'm marvelous, fantabulous, a bad chick. The flow sick like oh shit, you know this, I'm too fit to ever quit. Knocking these fools out like pool sticks. I do this, I move this, I prove this. Bars be hard like a pound of bricks. It go up, jumps the boogie to the bang bang high. It's the kind of beat to go ra-ta-ta.
Now, one thing that's causing Missy's rap flow to sound so bouncy and 3D-like, almost as if it's popping out of the speakers, is how she weaves in and out of the green 8th notes and the orange 16th notes. The 8th notes feel smooth and calm, and the orange notes jump out and feel aggressive, which gives it that bouncy feel. Now, let's listen back to the first 4 bars and just focus on that.
DJ Skrillex's, we be the realest team on the billis. Watch out, I kill it, watch out, I spit it on the mic, feel it. Y'all can't do what I do, just admit it. I'm about to...
Now, another major thing that Missy is doing here that makes her rap flow sound so unique is how she doesn't land a lot of her 8th notes on beat. And you may be thinking, well, if she's not landing on beat, isn't that a bad thing? No, and here's why. In rap, we stress the importance of landing on beat, which is important, but beats are simply the division of a bar into 4 even pieces. But there are many more places to land within a beat, because you can think of there being beats within beats, which I like to call sub-beats. So just like there are 4 beats within a bar, you can also think of there being 4 sub-beats within a beat. For example, in this case, on the first bar, Missy is landing an 8th note on beat 1.4, which carries over to the 2nd beat. She does the same move again on beat 3.4, which carries over to the 4th beat. And she does this a lot for the first 8 bars of her verse on beat 3 and also on beat 1. And this is the main factor as to why her flow feels the way that it does here. And it's a testament to how incredibly skilled Missy is musically. Make no mistake about it, rappers are musicians, and Missy is a perfect example of that. Now keep this in mind as we listen back to these 8 bars.
DJ Skrillex's, we be the realest team on the billis. Watch out, I kill it, watch out, I spit it on the mic, feel it. Y'all can't do what I do, just admit it. I'm about to get it, money, get it. Drop it to the floor, shake my big bitties, bopping like did it. My face look pretty, y'all ain't doing shit new, I done did it. Cause
Now, one thing that a lot of rappers struggle with is transitioning into different cadences or grooves within their rap flow smoothly. And Missy is a master at doing this. And let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to play from bars 5 through 10 and notice how the groove of her rap flow totally changes on bar 9. And just wait till I explain to you how she did it.
Money, get it, drop it to the floor, shake my big bitties, bopping like did it. My face look pretty, y'all ain't doing shit new, I done did it. Cause I'm marvelous, fantabulous, a bad chick. The flow sick like oh shit, you know.
Okay, here's how Missy pulled this transition off so smoothly using 2 techniques. She actually begins her transition on bar 8. Firstly, notice how she's now landing those 8th notes that I was talking about earlier directly on the 2nd and 4th beat instead of leading into them from the sub beat before like she was doing previously. Secondly, Missy makes a change on the 3rd beat by extending the length of her pause so that she can land her 8th note directly on the 4th beat, which she has not done before on the 4th beat. Also, notice how even with these changes, she kept her rhyme and cadence scheme intact on the 3rd beat, so that her pattern feels completed before she changes it. Now keep all of that in mind as we listen again.
I'm about to get it, shake my big bitties, bopping like did it. My face look pretty. Y'all ain't doing shit new, I done did it. Cause I'm marvelous, fantabulous, a bad chick. The flow sick like oh shit, you know.
Now, if you want to see me break down more rappers' songs like this, make sure that you check out this playlist. And I'm also currently working on a game-changing video course on RapFlow, which I'll be sure to post a link in the video description below once it goes live in the future. And again, my name is Cole Mize with ColeMizeStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. And be sure to pick yourself up a free copy of my ebook, The #1 Fundamental to Rapping, via the link in the video's description below. And subscribe to this channel for more straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace.